Hi guys, I'm just going to try and show you how to make money on this game. As you can see, I've got 515,000. I've got a worker with me as well. It's making my life easy on this game. But I've read a lot of problems on Discord and even people contacting me saying, how do you make so much money? Well, I'll show you. It's not a hack, it's not a cheat, it's just rinse and repeating. And it gets a bit boring, but until you've got a load of money, this is the easiest way to do it. So let's get on with it. So I wish the devs would fix this because I can't press no, so I've got to go through the tutorial. So anyway, let's just get started. The first thing you do, of course, is go to your computer. I'm going to type in shop name as money. Once you've done that, then you've got to go and start ordering your stuff. So buy fast. Again, with the money I've got, I'm going to unlock the new products. You can do this or not do this depending on what money you've got. Choose the most expensive within reason of your budget, so I'm going to choose the books. And then I can't buy 10, I can only buy 5 at the start. So I'll buy 5. Once you buy 5, go and get them from outside and then put the box on the shelf. Once you've done that, this is the most important part. Go down to my shop again, then go to products and then change the price. And as you can see, they're selling for $58. I know they sell for 72, but you can try 73 or 74 or 71, depends. But 72 gives you $26 extra. And then your orders will come in, take all the orders, box them, put them on your little van. And then once you've done that, then go and take them to where you can post them off. Now, on here as well, you can also have a delivery pickup via the van or via a drone later on in the game, but it will cost you money each time you call them out. Anyway, so we go in here after. We can't do nothing with the contracts at the moment, it's too early, so go to cargo. They're all medium boxes and we sell it for $583. Now sadly we've got to go back now and duplicate exactly what we just did, take them back again, but each time you go back to do your orders, as you know, I only had 5 books. Try and go for 10 and 15 and 20 and so on and so on with all your money you've got. Come back. Now I've got 850. So I think I can duplicate again now and do another 5 or 6 boxes extra. And this is what you do. Rinse and repeat for at least a couple of hours. I probably did this for about 3 hours until I got real good money to start updating a lot of stuff. I think now, at this point now, I think I'm going to have nearly maybe 1,000, but that's how you do it. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, bye for now.